guys, I'm Sarah Syria and welcome back to my channel. And if you enjoy the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and leave any comments. So today we're working on a dollar store mirror that I bought back when I sort of heard all this was happening. I made a run to the dollar store to buy craft stuff for the kids and picked up a few items. And one of the items was this mirror, and I'm sure you've seen them. It's hard to see or tell on TV or on the screen that it's quite plasticky and very lightweight. So it does need something to make it look a little bit more expensive. So we're gonna add some rope and hopefully it'll bring it up a level. Anyway, let's get started. We will need rope, glue gun, and a belt. Okay, so this is the mirror that I'm using. And I started out by just gluing the rope directly to the mirror. And I'm just sort of tracing the pattern with the glue gun. You really do kind of have to apply the glue liberally because you don't want any bit sort of falling off, right? Or loose. So I'm just literally tracing the pattern with the rope. Now, you can kind of see where I started out there. I tucked the rope behind, and I'll show you in a little bit what I'm doing with the ends. So just tracing along and then attaching. Now these mirrors actually come in a whole bunch of different patterns. I have actually a few other ones also that I just chose this one to start with. I left the mirror gold, but you could always paint the mirror as well if you wanted it maybe all white or blue. So you can see here how I've tucked it behind and then I'm just gluing it. You see there? And then when you start up again and you just sort of follow the line again, you really can't see those parts where you have to tuck, where you've run out of rope. Okay, so I didn't bore everyone by showing the entire wrapping of the rope, but there you can see I'm just following the pattern. And then again, I'm going to show you here what I'm going to do. So I'm tucking, like sort of pushing the rope through in between. And then show you the other side here. I'm pulling it all through, sort of threading it through, right? And there you can see, like you can't really see, and I just glued like the last little bit. And now you can see like the rope hanging down. But it's pretty good, like you can't really tell. And then I'm just gluing the ends here to the back. And because it's sort of raised, it doesn't affect how it'll hang. So just cut it off here and then glue it down. Lots of glue on the ends. And there we have our finished mirror. Much better than I thought that it would even turn out. I wish you could see it in person, but it looks actually quite expensive. And I think the big key was adding the belt. I think that was really cool. And I happen to have this blue belt, but you could use an old leather belt, and I think that would look really, really nice. Anyway, everyone, take care, stay safe, and join me again. All the best. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Bye for now.